Hey friends, if you encounter the Windows script host error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan, and what does the scan do? It checks for missing and corrupt files on your system and replaces them if possible. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is a malware scan to check for viruses and malware infecting your system and thus causing the problem. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Scan Options. Select Full Scan and then click on Scan Now, and it will start scanning your system. The last solution is a system restore. And what does a system restore do? So it restores your system to a point when it was working fine. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore. Now in this case we'll have to turn on system protection and create a system restore point, but if it was already created then you could have proceeded to it directly. So always create a restore point. I mean, it will not work in this case, but for future you can always use the restore point. Click on OK, click on open system restore, click on next, choose the restore point, next, and then finally finish. And then you can click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.